He knows how to...
200.
Uy! About to go down. We're in the airport.
What time is your flight today?
6.
Airport.
Let's go down to gate number 2. Dito ba na?
Ha?
Dito. Kasi gate 1 is business class. First class and business class. Qatar Airways gate number 2. Economy.
Walk ka na. Oh. Daddy, wait.
Wait, look!
What's that?
Look! Look!
Paano gagawin mo? Ano gagawin mo? Boom! Diyan ba't natatawin na anak mo? Ninong dyan nag-cry-cry.
Siya lang muna. Siya lang. Sige, dala. Lakad lang, tuloy lang, diretso.
More. More big. More
Bird.
baby, more.
We're done na. I'm just dropping them on the
Basta.
boarding station.
Wow!
Yun na boy, enjoy. Salamat.
Dyan po. Wow! Bebe! We're here! Bebe, we're going there! Wait for me! Bebe, wait for me! Oh, we will go there. Wait lang. Tara, doon na lang tayo. Hi! Asta here! Look at here! Hi guys! We're here! Asta! Look at here, mommy! Look at the mommy! Daddy, look! Hello! Guys, ayan, nakakatuwa kasi kasama namin si Iran. Last year kasi kami nandalawa ni Asta. Ang sarap sa feeling na magkakasama ulit kami. Lalo si Aaron, super happy niya. I can feel it. Yeah, enjoy namin yung vacation kahit umulat umaraw. See you! Airplane! Wow! That's too big! Ayun o yung airplane ako. Wow! Hindi yan yun?
Sa kapila yan, sa B5.
Wow! Wow! Daddy's so excited! Daddy's so excited! Daddy's so excited! Bye!
Please remove all devices from charging ports.
Bye-bye pa na! Bye-bye!
Please do not operate seat controls.
Ayan guys, tumataas na ang araw. Mas maliwanag na ngayon. Kain na ulit. Hey guys, ito nga. Anong oras na? Qatar time. 12, magto 12:30. Pero Philippine time na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5:30 p.m. 5:30 a.m. na sa Pinas. Ayan si Asta, hindi pa tulog guys. Ayan na po siya, naglalaro pa siya. Tingnan mo po. Sticker na siya. Nakita na ang liwanag. At meron pang nakasabit na giraffe. Hi guys! Ayan na guys. Oh, nandyan na. Oh, maliwanag na siya. Sana ay nandiwan. Hi guys, mas maganda talagang Nagpe-play na siya. Dito na, dito lang. Ayan, we're on the runway. We're on the runway. Okay, this is our food. This is Asta's food. We have own food. This is my food. That's food. Eat time. Ayan yung kanto. Hindi na bibili ng lugaw. Yung isa hindi yun, fake yun. Fake news. Yeah. Ito ang bahay namin. Naku, yung paupahan ng tatay. Paupahan ng tatay. Buksan mo, Chi. Buksan mo, buksan mo. Hi!
Ikot kami tayo.
Asta! What's that? Chicken? Chicken? Wow!
What's that?
Chicken?
Chicken? Banana.
Maambon eh. Pero mahina lang naman. Wala. Dalawa pala to, ulo sa paa.
Ulo tsaka paa.